The purpose of this video is to show how to correct any errors relating to the supplier DUNS numbers when importing orders into SIMS FMS. This may occur once you have placed an order within eTrading for Schools, and upon attempting to import the order into SIMS FMS, you are presented with an error that states a match with the supplier's DUNS number could not be made. To correct this is what you must do. First of all, you must ascertain that we have a mismatch in the DUNS number between eTrading for Schools and SIMS, as per the pop-up box below. From this screen, make a note of the DUNS numbers that have failed and click on OK to close the error box, and again to close the import box. Then click on Focus, Accounts Payable and Supplier. Select DUNS within the sequence section, and using the DUNS number that you have just made a note of, type this into the Looking For box. This will search the SIMS database for the DUNS number, but it is likely that this won't bring back any results as the DUNS number probably does not exist in SIMS. So once you have checked that this is the case, by reviewing whether the top record is a match, you will then need to go into eTrading for Schools to find out which supplier is experiencing the error and obtain their DUNS numbers. To do this, navigate to eTrading for Schools by using your specific username and password. Once logged in, click on the supplier directory, which will bring up a directory of all suppliers within the eTrading for Schools hub. Within here, you'll be able to search for the supplier to obtain the correct DUNS number in order to match this to SIMS. To do this, type in the DUNS number which is causing the issue and click Search. This will pull back the supplier assigned to that DUNS number. Select the name to view their details. From this information, you can find the supplier name, which is the reference you need in order to find the supplier in SIMS, and create the mapping. Once you have located your supplier, navigate back to SIMS, select Focus, Accounts Payable, and Suppliers. Within the search bar this time, using the supplier name rather than the DUNS number, search for the supplier in question and double-click on their record to open the details. You'll be presented with the following screen, and you'll notice that the supplier record does not have a DUNS number. We need to add the DUNS number in order to map the supplier record. In the bottom right of the supplier details screen, select the checkbox titled DUNS within Unique Identifier and type in the DUNS number into the box. Either copy the DUNS number from the supplier directory or from the note you made earlier. You then need to update the transmission method if it hasn't already been updated. In order to do this, navigate to Order Method and change this from Printed to Web Services or W. Once complete, navigate to tab 5 for e-procurement and add the DUNS number in the XML supplier reference. This is needed in order to complete the mapping setup. Now click Save in the top right hand side. Your configuration is now complete and you have successfully mapped the DUNS number between eTrading for Schools and SIMS. In order to ensure this is the case, we will attempt to re-import the order, so navigate back to Focus, Accounts Payable, and click on Import Orders. Now click on Import. You will then be presented with a pop-up box that states, Import completed successfully. From here, you can continue with authorizing and printing your orders. Many thanks for watching this video brought to you by Procserve.